So, what's your perfect degree of comfort? Well, it's our job to help you find it. Whether you're looking to make your home more warm and comfy to watch the big games, or you want the energy savings of a new Rheem high-efficiency system, we offer professional HVAC service on all brands, but recommend only the best for you and your family.